and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of our today's video, I will be creating this look. It's a prom look using affordable products. And this video is in collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube, literally Aiko. That's her YouTube channel, guys. I'm going to link her channel on the description box below. And yes, this video is in collaboration with her. Aiko and we decided to create a prom look for you guys. For my video, I created this look right here using affordable products. And yung Aiko naman, she created a prom look using high-end products. So you have two options, guys. So you can check Aiko's channel. I'm going to link her video on the description box below. So yes, don't forget to check it out. Anyway, so this is the look that I created. And I'm so happy that I created this look. This look is what I wore. Yung eye look lang ha, is what I wore in vlog number 26. And a lot of people complimented me that night when I watched our local pageant here in Bacolod. And so I decided to recreate this and make this my prom look for you guys because it's easy and it can match a lot of dresses. Like, I did not experience JS prom kasi wala po kaming JS prom when I was still in high school. I'm not sure if blue at saka pink pa rin yung gowns for the women's or for the girls, or you can wear any gown, like any colors, I'm not sure. So I decided for this neutral smoky eyes para safe tayo and para marami sa inyo ang makakreate nito. So if you want to know how I did this look right here, then please keep on watching.
And today we will start with the eyes. First, I'll be priming my eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm setting that with my Nichido Final Powder. And for the eyes, I'll be using my Ecru Squad palette from Detail Makeover. And for our first shade and our transition shade, I'm using this touch brown or this light brown eyeshadow, and I'm just blending that on my crease. I'm slowly building up the color on our crease, and to deepen our crease farther, I'm taking this shade called Pecan, and I'm just blending that on the crease just like the first shade. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Color Tattoo in the shade Bad to the Bronze, and I'm just putting that on the outer lid and on the inner lid para mas talagang didikit yung eyeshadow na ilalagay ko on top of this Color Tattoo eyeshadow. And to clean our center lids, I'm using my concealer again and spread that on the entire center lids. And also, this step will help the eyeshadow that I'll be putting on top to really pop. And for our inner and outer corners, I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow called Buff, and I'm just laying that there on top of the Color Tattoo from Maybelline. And for the star of the show, this nacre, or I don't know how you pronounce that silvery shade eyeshadow, and I'm putting that on the center lids. Here I'm adding that eyeshadows on the outer V because it got blended away. And next I'm taking this eyeshadow called High Tie. It's a bronzed eyeshadow, and I'm taking that, or I'm putting that on my inner eyelids. And to achieve that smoky eyes on the outer V or on our outer corners, I'm taking this black eyeshadow called Underrun, and I'm just slowly building it up or blending it on the outer V. Just be careful, guys. Always top off the excess kasi nakakatakot to, black eyeshadow kasi. And to get rid of that harsh line on our center lids, I'm slowly fading it out, like blending the three colors together. And to start with our face, of course, not to prime is a crime. So here I'm using my Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser, and I'm just putting that on the entire face. And I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation because this foundation gives me a matte and a flawless face or a flawless finish. My concealer is still from Maybelline, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm putting that on the areas of my face that I want to highlight and of course under my eyes to hide my under eye circles. Careful lang guys in putting on your concealer na talagang malilinis mo yung sa mata natin at hindi matatanggal yung crisp line na nagawa natin. And to set our concealers in place and also to bake, I'm using my Nichido Final Powder. If you want guys, if you are really very oily, you can bake your entire face. And pabayaan mo siya, gawin mo naman yung brows mo and then tsaka mo natatanggalin yung powder sa mukha mo. Do your brows guys, just follow the natural shape of your brows and then you're good to go. It's time to remove the powder or our bake. And I'm using this powder, the same powder that we use on our baking to set the entire face. And girls, take note, smoky eyes should be paired with bold brows. But here, I'm just blending the inner corners of my brows and then set it with my Maybelline Brow Mascara in the shade Dark Brown. I'm using my Detail Makeover Contour&Blush palette, and first I'm going to bronze using this bronzer shade, especially on the hairline. Make sure to really bronze that part guys, and then your jaw and of course your cheeks to really bring back the life on our face. And to contour my face, I'm using my Wet n Wild contour brush using this Cool Tone Contour Powder. And I'm contouring my face. Para naman pumayat ako tingnan guys kasi tingnan nyo man yung mukha ko, ang lapad. This is the way to slim down our face girls. So those who have round face like me, make sure to contour your forehead, your cheeks, and then your jaw para naman proportionate yung pagkapayat niya, diba? Hindi lang yung nasa taas, yung buong mukha talaga yung pagkapayat niya. And for the flush in our cheeks, I'm using this pinky shade blush and I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks, from the apples of our cheeks going towards the temples. It's time to finish our eyes. Here I'm using the first shade that we put in our crease and I'm putting that on the entire lower lash line. And then this dark brown eyeshadow and I'm just putting that on the outer corners of our lower lash line. To tight line and also onto the waterline, I'm using my Missha eyeliner and it's a dark brown eyeliner. Just grab your favorite dark brown eyeliners guys. Any eyeliner will do as long as it's nice and you like it. And to complete our eye look, of course, mascara. Then don't forget to contour our nose, of course. Importanteng i-contour itong nose, especially yung sa akin kasi ang lapad. And of course, highlighting. Don't forget to highlight the areas of your face that you want to highlight. But for me, I want to highlight my cheekbones. The highest points of my cheekbones are Cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose. Guys, JS proms are always at night, so mag-highlight na kayo. Itodo-todo nyo na. And syempre, don't forget to highlight the inner corners of your eyes. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Parang muta effect ba? And for my lips, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 10 or Dreamer. This is a light nude pink lipstick. And I'm using this kasi this lipstick really stays on your lips the entire day, the entire night, kahit ano pang kainin mo.
That's it, guys. I'm sorry kung ganito lang yung buhok ko. Very, very low maintenance. I'm not into hairstyling. Like, I'm not good at that. So, pwede nyong ipa-hairstyle na lang yung buhok nyo if you don't want it to put it this way. And also, hindi ako naglagay ng false lashes because that is my greatest struggle in life. Putting on eyelashes. So, hindi ko yun kaya. Pwede naman kayong maglagay ng false lashes if you can, kung kaya nyo, and kung gusto nyo din. And this look, I believe, looks better without a wing liner or a liquid eyeliner, kaya I went for this na lang. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to head on to Aiko's channel and subscribe to her channel. And of course, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!